Knew that was gonna happen. Ah, yes, finally.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm
Oh my
warning
God.
for Caldwell County, southeastern Hayes County, Guadalupe County, southeastern Travis County, Bastrop County, Gonzales County, Lee County, Fayette County, northeastern Bear County, southeastern Comal County, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That is a lot of counties.
At 10:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tanglewood to Cedar Creek to near Zorn to Live Oak, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Live Oak?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickels.
Literally, as I was watching my other video.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of
Live Oak.
include New Broad Falls,
Yes.
San Marcos, Church, Kyle, Seguin, Cibolo, Universal City, Live Oak, Lockhart.
Oh, they said it right there.
Bastrop, Gonzales, Lewing, Giddings,
Wait, what?
LaGrange, Smithville, Flatonia, Lexington, Randolph Air Force Base, and Garden Ridge.
Interesting.
A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas.
What?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I think it's interference. Yep.
Until midnight Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. You are listening to...
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. On the lowest floor of a building.
What? Oh, it's... Never mind, I'm dumb. Okay. This Sage isn't even hooked up to anything. I just realized. It used to be for my internet station, but it's down at the moment. Well, there you go.